Welcome to More Than Mindset, the only podcast that bridges the gap between spirituality and success. Go beyond the mind with clarity and confidence coach Kim Guillory and learn how to integrate your passion to serve with your skills and experience to create a business you love. Let's get started.
Hello, and welcome back to the More Than Mindset Show. I am your host, Kim Guillory. Guys, we have been at this for quite a few years, and today I want to talk about what has changed for businesses. This is for small, medium-sized businesses as well as large ones. The last decade has completely transformed the scenery for business. So for those of you who want to grow and keep up with the new, right? We're talking about AI, the marketing must do's, as well as sales training for your team. So if we talk about three things that have changed the landscape of business in the last decade, it's going to be those three things. Number one, you have to embrace AI. Allow it to help you. So many people are still talking as if it is a bad thing and there's something wrong with it. But here's the thing. This is something that I see with a lot of people. They don't speak their message clearly. AI will help you to clarify your message. First off, when you speak into AI or when you ask it for something, if you are not clear, the answers will not be clear. So it teaches you, the individual, how to be clearer with communication. That is going to help you in every area of your business and your life. So embrace technology. You must embrace technology if you want to exist as a business. Even if you're brick and mortar, even if you're in a rural area, it can still help you. And believe me, when I talk about this, I was resistant to change also. When I think back years ago, 26 years of business where I did not collect emails, I did not embrace anything technical or digital, and I regretted it because all of those contacts could have been in one beautiful place, and I could have used AI with very clear messaging to reach out to those people. And even if I wasn't selling them the same thing, it would have given me the opportunity to serve them better in more areas. So, number one, embrace technology, use AI, get used to letting it help you. I promise you, it's going to make you a better communicator, probably a better individual, because you are just going to become better whenever you're speaking about your services. That's one of the main reasons that I teach my clients to embrace AI right away, as soon as they come to us, because it helps us clarify the message and it forces us to speak clearly. Many business owners have an incredible service, but don't know how to talk about it. And therefore, they don't reach people that they could be serving and helping. Number two, you must market. You must learn how to market. There are so many different ways that you could be using marketing, promoting in order to get more clients and to get more clients to do more services with you. We have an entire course program, weekly calls around marketing, around using AI to help you marketing. Now, listen, AI is not doing it for you. It's your message. It's going through a filter so that it can be easily digested by your ideal client. We use Claude in the business, and it has been a game changer for us. The entire team has learned how to communicate better. They've brought in better qualified clients who want exactly what we offer. And now they understand the programs and the results of the programs that we offer. And I credit all of this to AI. Claude is an incredible asset when it comes to writing copy. So this is a shout out to Claude. I also like Grok. There's many others. You can learn about all of these in our marketing program. But just for the general business person, I'm just going to talk about the 3 things that you can change today that can change the landscape of your business, that can help you become more profitable, and it can help you grow and expand in other areas with other products. First, it was AI. You want to embrace technology. The second was marketing, which is again about messaging and about communication, about getting known in the world, putting your message, your product, your brand in front of more people so that more people know about you, and to speak more clearly to the exact person that you want to attract. And the last, I save the best for last. So many of you run from selling. You have to embrace sales. You need to teach your team how to be proud of the services that you offer and how to speak to your clients so that they can help them get the products that they need. And this happens through a sales process. All 3 of these work together in order for you to create more profit, sustainability, and predictability in your business. These things being out of whack, invisible, non-existent in your business or a problem. Super simple fixes. Start with just general use of AI, whichever one that you choose, and just tell it exactly who you are. My name is Kim Guillory. I have a mind body business program where I help health and wellness practitioners increase profits, sustainability, and predictability in their business. We do this through, and I tell it, my products and services. We do this through messaging, through marketing, and through sales training. Our clients increase revenue by 30% in 30 days or less. Like, I'm just being really specific about exactly who I'm talking to. And then I'll even ask it. I am currently speaking to spa owners that are currently at this revenue, that are looking to scale. Their biggest problem is employees, getting their team to perform, selling their products and services, and hiring a marketing company that really, truly helps them and doesn't just take advantage of them. I'll just say that just very clearly. And it will give me the copy. So I want you to try this if you are not already using it. If you're using it, you get a pass. Check. Number 2, marketing. And listen, if you want an idea of what we do in any of our programs, then just send me an email, comment below wherever you're seeing this. I'll get your message and just say, I would like to hop into one of your calls for free. You can come into one of our sales calls. You can come into mindset and strategy. You can come into the actual mentorship for marketing or one of our tech calls. I invite you to pop in, come be a fly on the wall, and see what we're offering and how we're helping our clients with marketing, with messaging, finding their ideal clients, increasing their revenue, and then beginning to build a team that helps them sell their products and services. So many of us are really good at what we do, but we're not really good at scaling the business. But first, you have to grow it. You have to grow it to a point to where your systems are working. Once the systems are working, and this takes time, then we just push some numbers behind it and we scale this thing. So the 3 things I talked about today: speak to the person that is brand new, that wants more revenues, maybe under $100,000. It's also speaking to those who are over 100,000, maybe multiple 6 figures, and is speaking to the person who has a team who is scaling. All 3 of these are about embracing technology today in order to grow your business so that you can have predictability. Predictability is huge because you can't have a team if you don't have predictability. You have to have profitability or you're not a business. And you need sustainability, which just means that you have longevity in the company with your products and services. and you have something to upsell your customers, and you have something to downsell your customers. We teach you all of this in the sales workshop, in the sales program, in the marketing. So if your team is not performing and they're not helping you grow and they're costing you money to have you on board, you don't have the right team. Your employees, your team members should not be an expense. They should be a part of the equation of growing the revenue. They should be contributing. They should not be costing. I know I'm saying something that a lot of you don't understand and maybe don't agree with yet. If that's the case, come to one of my Tuesday calls where I do strategy. If you're struggling with messaging and marketing and promoting yourself, then come to the Wednesday call. That's all about marketing. If you're struggling with AI and you don't have a system in order to keep track of all of the leads that you're getting, especially through social media, you don't have the place to bring them in where you can start communicating with them and telling them about your products and services, and you can come to one of our Thursday calls. If sales is your problem and your team needs to help you close deals, maybe you're running ads and you're getting new leads in, but you don't have anybody to take the lead to the close, then you can come to one of my calls on Monday. All right. That's kind of a pitch today, but I didn't want to offer you just like what to go and do. I wanted to offer you an opportunity to show you how we do it so that you can embrace it and you can actually begin to grow your business. So whether you're a solopreneur, you're the only person and you're making anywhere from $70,000 to $90,000, or maybe you are doing double or triple that and you want to figure out a way to start hiring people to help you, or you already have a team, you already have people helping you, and now you're looking for how can you grow this without you? It's going to fit all three of you. If you have a business, you want it to grow, and you want to scale, you want to impact more people, and you want to actually create something that you're not constantly working dollar for hour for, you have to embrace technology. You have to embrace technology. There is no way out of this. It is not going away. And I promise you, you give us 30 days and you will thank us. You will see the difference. Some of our customers, we just had one last week that realized that she is now getting 300 times. She's increased her rate by 300%. It's incredible watching what is happening with people when they learn how to make more money, manage their money, and then multiply their money. If you're not doing this yet, guys, come to one of our free calls. We have events on the weekend that are Q&As. We have a free community that you can join in. You can just start with what we're giving you until you start increasing revenue and creating some stability, and then let us help you scale it. All right, my friends, that's all I have for you this week. 3 things. Don't forget them. Write them down. You must embrace technology. AI is your friend. Learn how to talk to it, and it will give you incredible messaging so you can find the ideal clients who need your products and services and just can't find you because they're not clear about your message. Make sure that you know how to promote and market yourself. And again, you can use AI to help you, but you got to get really clear on your message, and you need to speak more loudly, more boldly, get in more places so people can find you. And lastly, make sure that someone is handling the leads, which are the people who are liking and following and commenting and coming into your ecosystem. Make sure that your team or yourself knows how to close a deal. Got it? That's it. Embrace technology, AI, marketing, and sales. Have an amazing week, and I hope to see you on one of our free calls.
Thanks for listening to this episode of More Than Mindset.